Tesla Model 2 imagined with Roadster new Model 3 styling. With the facelifted 2024 Model 3 now out in the open, well, we showed some images of it. This could be the closest look yet at the anticipated Model 2. Wait, what? That front end looks amazing. It looks like the Taycan.
Yeah.
But what is that? That looks like it's like plastered onto. Oh, there we go. Will, you could spin around in it.
This looks really cool.
You get your hatchback.
The new front.
You get your hatchback going. You get the Roadster front end. This is you.
This is really nice. I really like the rendering.
You got to trade your Model 3 for that. That's all you need.
Oh, yeah. I mean, I don't mind.
Okay. What is all that camo in those images next to it?
I think we talked about the leaked images of the new Model 2.
Correct. But what is it? Oh, like
The zebra
yeah, okay.
pattern.
Yeah, maybe that's it. That doesn't look as good. I know that's the purpose of the camo, but the front end looks a little fatter on the camo version versus the way they rendered it here. Whichcar.com.au.
Those look like the same headlights of the Model 3, so I don't know.
Yeah, you don't see as many hatchbacks, like little hatchbacks anymore, do you? Not as many. It's always a crossover. There's a lot of crossover type deals.
But at least you have a lot of trunk space, if that's the case, right?
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Cool.
Is there any more details? No, I guess that's it.
Our renderings here show the Model 2 as a hatchback, and we wouldn't be surprised to see a small SUV version, perhaps the Model Z, join it later. Continuing the themes established with the new Roadster, if it ever launches, and the facelifted Model 3, we've given the Model 2 a sharp and slender headlight design. So they've gone in there and kind of done their own
tweaking.
Yeah, tweaking, and I think they did a good job. I think they should be hired immediately, and I think the car should go into production.
Yeah, just takes 5 years.
Sick. This clip you just watched is sponsored by LaterCase. If you have been looking for an impossibly thin case to put on your brand new smartphone, you need to check out LaterCase, available for both Android and iPhone. Check the description of this clip in order to get a special offer.